friends, Auntie here. Welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be making some oatmeal cookies. These are healthy, delicious, and really simple to make. I'm going to be sharing 2 different flavor combinations with you. Please make sure to watch this video all the way through, as I'm going to be sharing lots of tips so that you can then take this recipe and make it your own. The first set of cookies that we're going to make, we're going to fill them with some raisins, and then we're going to do a nice light chocolate drizzle over the top. So we're going to have some chocolate and raisin oatmeal cookies, and we're also going to make the classic chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. I think you're going to really enjoy today's recipe. Thanks for watching. Let's get cooking. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All of the measurements and the list of the ingredients that we're using today can be found in the description below. Into your rolled oats, add some salt, flour, cinnamon powder, and some mixed spice. Now, if you can't get mixed spice, that's okay. It is an optional extra, but it does add a wonderful flavour. And for anyone who lives in Korea, I ordered the mixed spice online from iHerb. Then add some vanilla essence and some almonds and get this all mixed together. I personally like the crunch of the almonds, but there's nothing stopping you using other nuts, macadamia, walnuts, just to name a few. Next, we will add some butter and some golden syrup. Golden syrup is very popular to use in England for baking, and actually it's very easy to make, but if you don't want to make any or can't find any, then both maple syrup and honey are great alternatives that you could use instead. Finally, add some milk and get this mixed in, and you have the base then for your oatmeal cookies. You could leave them plain, and like this, they're absolutely delicious, or as I'm doing today, add a few other ingredients. I like using oats as they are a healthy alternative, and if you're interested, I have some other recipe ideas on the channel. So I divide the oatmeal cookie mixture into 2 bowls. Into one bowl, I'm going to add a handful of chocolate chips. Into the other bowl, I add some raisins and then get both of these mixed in. As I mentioned earlier, you can add any ingredient to your oatmeal cookie. Instead of chocolate chips, you could cut up and have chunks of chocolate, or even white chocolate chips. You could use sultanas, currants, dried fruit, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, lemon zest, orange zest. Just use what you've got in your cupboard. Onto an oven tray, place some baking paper and then about a spoonful of oatmeal cookie mixture for each cookie. Space them out. I like to slightly flatten out the mixture, then at the end I will go back and tidy up each cookie with 2 spoons. You could use a mould if you would like perfectly round cookies, but I think the rustic look looks great. A quick tip for you, if you find any nuts or raisins on the outside of a cookie, move them into the middle and this will ensure that they stay inside the cookie once baked. Once you're happy with the shape of your cookies, then place them into your preheated oven 180°C for about 10 to 12 minutes. You might want to check on your first batch, as everyone's oven is different. I recommend setting a timer so that you don't forget about them. You'll know when your cookies are ready, as they'll have a wonderful golden brown colour around the edge as you pull them out of your oven. They are very fragile when hot, so when you move them off the tray, be very gentle. Place your second batch of oatmeal cookies onto the tray in exactly the same way as we did the first, and for this recipe you will get about 10 cookies in total. Our second batch of oatmeal cookies have had some time cooling and they're looking great. So into a bowl, melt some chocolate in the microwave for 30-second intervals until completely melted, and then drizzle over your raisin oatmeal cookies. Once covered in chocolate, place them back onto your cooling rack for about 30 minutes until the chocolate is completely set. Once cooled, you can then transfer them and store them in an airtight container. These oatmeal cookies are crunchy and chewy and easy to make. Serve them with a glass of milk or a cup of tea. They are the perfect homemade healthy snack alternative. Please make, bake and enjoy these with family and friends. Thanks for watching. God bless. Jobbok hamnada.